Before you browse Reddit on your PC, stop for a moment because most people do not realize their activity is tracked. The surprising truth is that Reddit records what you view, search, and interact with unless you enable anonymous browsing. Here is how to turn on anonymous browsing on Reddit using a computer. First, open Reddit in your web browser and log into your account. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. A menu will appear. Look for the option that says Turn on Anonymous Browsing. Click it. Your screen will refresh, and you will now be browsing Reddit anonymously. Your username will disappear, and your activity will not be saved to your account history. You won't believe what happens next. You can explore any subreddit without it affecting your recommendations or profile. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Anonymous browsing does not make you invisible to the internet. Your internet provider and Reddit can still see activity. It simply prevents your browsing from being linked to your account. To turn it off, click the profile icon again and select Turn off anonymous browsing. You will return to your normal account. This feature is useful for researching sensitive topics, avoiding biased recommendations, or simply browsing without leaving a trail. The surprising truth about anonymous browsing is that it gives you privacy within Reddit, not total anonymity online. If this quick guide helped you, subscribe for more simple tech tips that protect your digital privacy.